Hello everyone. Today we will learn about COUNTIFS and SUMIFS function with the range as the criteria. So let's see. We have data from the toll where date wise which vehicle have passed the toll and what are the charges applied is there. So if we want to calculate the number of vehicles passing per day for a particular day or the total charges paid for the particular day, so for the total number of vehicles passing for particular day, we can use COUNTIF function. In COUNTIF, we have to first select the range and then we have to select the criteria. And then yes, so you can see 6, 6, 5. These number of vehicles passed on a particular day from the toll, and if we want to have the sum, same sum if we select the range, the criteria and the sum range. So this is the total sum of the toll charges for a particular day. Now if we want to have the total number of count not for a particular day, for the range like from 1st to 5th, 6th to 10th, then we can use the COUNTIFS function. So let's see. It says for first criteria range 1. So first criteria range 1 is date. Now criteria is from 1st June to 5th June. Now if we select the 1st June only, then it will check only for the 1st June. But we have to give a criteria for date range more than 1st June. So what we have to do, date range greater than equal to, and again criteria range 2, the same column will be the criteria range, and now the second criteria is less than equals to 5, less than equal to so from 1st to 5th total 28 vehicles have passed the toll. Same for sum, we can use SUMIFS. Now sum range is toll charge, criteria range 1 is date, and the first criteria is greater than equal to, and from date. Second criteria is again the date column, and second criteria is less than equal to and to date. From 1st to 5th if is count, yes, so total 28 vehicles, total value of 332 toll charges has been applied for from 1st to 5th. So this is how in COUNTIFS and SUMIFS we can use a range as a criteria and we can get the value. Thank you.